Good Monday! Is this our first dessert? Is this our first dessert? I think this is our first dessert. What are we making today? You know, pineapple and cream cheese pie with a graham cracker crust. Now, okay, I wanted to buy Nabisco, but it was just so much more expensive. We're on a budget. I wanted to buy Jello, but we're on a budget. You gotta have Philadelphia cream cheese, though. Full recipe will be in the description. It's really simple. It's like 3 ingredients. And I'm a little concerned, I have to say. Put the camera on a tripod. Oh, and I'm a little concerned. 2 things. What are the 2 things? I'm concerned that there won't be enough filling in here to make it look like the picture. It doesn't say what size pie plate to use. If we don't get the appropriate amount if we don't get the right amount in layers, maybe a smaller pie plate, maybe individual little tart pie plates. I don't know the year of this recipe. It just looked really good. And when I searched for images for pineapple cream cheese pies, I didn't see any that looked like this picture. The second issue is it says to make 1 cup of lemon pineapple syrup gelatin, and you use half to mix into the cream cheese. The other half gets poured over after it's been chilled. My fear is that that second half of gelatin will start to solidify before we get a chance to spoon it over. So what we're going to do is we're going to split it up. We're going to divide this in half. We're going to divide the syrup in half. It says to separate the chunks from the syrup, and we're going to chill. That way we should have a nice relaxed time of it. We can chill it as long as we want. When we're ready. Damn train! Damn train! Note to self, close the window when you're making a video. It says to make the graham cracker crust. Chill it in the fridge. That should be easy. 1.5 cups of graham crackers, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 6 to 7 tablespoons of butter. Press it in the pie plate, put it in the fridge. It's my first dessert. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. pie thingy. I don't own a pie server thingy. Why don't I own a pie server thingy? Second, it's much deeper over here than over here. It almost looks like it's slit. If I did a do-over, I would still split the gelatin half into the cream cheese. The second half, the topping, I would use a whole packet of gelatin. These Dole pineapples are pretty tall. Then you could add as much as you want. You don't have to add it all. Let's try and cut a slice. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Let's try and cut it. All right, here we go. I'm gonna cut between them. I made pie. There's no good way to do this. It's okay. It's okay. It's gonna break apart. I meant well. This is not good. Here we go. We're going in. Oh. Hey. Okay. I lost the whole bottom. I lost the whole bottom. All my crust. Edit that out. Okay, so it totally stuck to the bottom of the pan. They didn't. All right. Okay. It doesn't always go to plan. You know, the cream cheese layer isn't bad. We've got a little bit of layer there of gelatin. We're gonna have to take a bite of crust and pie because I lost the whole thing. All right. Let's take, use your fingers, Mom. Here we go. Our first dessert. That's really good. That's really good. Wow. You need the crust though. It's very creamy. The pineapple's stuck in there good. You can see a cross section there. Let's take some more crust. Use your fingers. Here we go, one more bite. Oh, I forgot whipped cream. Just a little bit of whipped cream. Okay. Just to see. Here we go. I don't think it needs whipped cream. This is so creamy by itself. That's delicious. Thank you for joining me this Monday. You know what I'm gonna say. Thanks for watching.